Yarrow flowers bloom in clusters. After blooming, they will dry out and turn brown. The seeds are ready when the flower heads are completely dry and brittle, usually late summer to early fall. Collect seeds when the weather is dry to prevent mold. Morning or late afternoon, when there is no dew, it is the best time to collect seeds. Use scissors or pruners to snip off the dried flower heads. Place them in a paper bag, not plastic, to avoid moisture buildup. After cutting down the branches, then you can gently squish the seed tops in your fingers and try to retrieve all the seeds. Once you retrieve the seeds, you put them in a paper envelope or a paper bag in case there is any moisture in it. So the paper bag will help them to soak the moisture. Instead of putting in a plastic bag, the moisture stays in and the seeds can develop mold and you will not be able to grow them. And it is very important that you write the name and the kind of the flower they were, pink, white, or yellow, and the date. Okay, so you remember that which date you have collected. So I collected poppy seeds as well, and I've grown these poppy seeds in snow when there was a lot of snow. So I spread the seeds, and now I have collected the seeds. So I'm going to put the poppy seeds in the envelope as well. One more important thing about the poppy seeds and also about the yarrow seeds that they need cold stratification to grow. That means that they need cold weather in order to germinate, especially the poppy seeds. You can spread the poppy seed before the snow in the late fall or during the snow as well. You can just simply spread on the snow. If you didn't get a chance, then to grow them when the snow is melted. Summertime, they will not germinate because they need cold weather to grow and to germinate. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you will be benefited how to collect seeds, when to collect seeds, and how to store them. And you can go ahead and collect more seeds from your own garden. Remember that the day have to be dry and sunny so that there is no moisture in the seeds, and store them the way we just have seen. All right, I'll see you with one more video next time with a new topic. Until then, you take care, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Bye.